You do everything right. You meticulously build a beautiful, healthy salad for lunch, packed with greens, veggies, and all the good stuff. You expect to feel light and energized, but about an hour later, it hits. You feel bloated, gassy, and just awful. If that sounds familiar, I want you to know two things. You are not crazy, and it is not your fault. In this video, I'm going to share the 3 surprising reasons why your healthy salad might be turning on you, and exactly what to do about it. The paradox of healthy eating is that many so-called superfoods contain compounds that can be really tough on our digestive system, especially if it's already a little sensitive. Think of it like putting high-performance racing fuel into a regular car. The fuel is technically better, but the system isn't tuned for it, and you end up with sputtering and backfiring. The same thing can happen in your gut. Let's dive into the first reason, fiber shock. First, let's talk about the obvious one, fiber. A huge raw salad is a massive dose of insoluble fiber. If your gut isn't used to processing that much raw material, your gut bacteria can go into overdrive, leading to a ton of fermentation. And what does fermentation create? Gas. And what does gas create? Bloating. But it gets more complex. On top of that, many common salad ingredients are high in something called FODMAPs. That's just a sciencey way of saying they're fermentable carbs that pull water into your gut and create even more gas. We're talking about things like onions, garlic in your dressing, avocado, apples, and cauliflower. Each of these can trigger that uncomfortable bloating response. Now for reason 2, the hidden problem. But here's the reason most people miss, and it's the key to why you can eat perfectly and still feel terrible. Many raw vegetables contain natural defense compounds called anti-nutrients. 2 of the biggest culprits are lectins and oxalates. Lectins are sticky proteins found in the skins and seeds of plants like tomatoes, cucumbers, and bell peppers. For some people, they can irritate the gut lining and trigger an inflammatory response. Then you have oxalates. These are compounds found in super healthy foods like spinach and almonds. They can form tiny, sharp crystals that can also irritate the gut and cause inflammation, especially if you're sensitive. So you could be eating a spinach salad with tomatoes and cucumbers, thinking you're doing everything right, but you're actually getting a triple dose of irritants. So what can you actually do about this? It's not about giving up salads forever, it's about making them smarter. Here are 3 things to try. 1. Cook some of it. Lightly steaming or roasting hard-to-digest veggies helps immensely. This breaks down some of that tough fiber and reduces anti-nutrients. Try it with broccoli or cauliflower. 2. Chew, and chew some more. Digestion starts in the mouth. The more you break down food mechanically, the easier it is on your entire system. Give your gut a head start by chewing every bite properly. And 3, make your own simple dressing. Many store-bought versions are full of sugar and hidden gums. Just use a base of good quality olive oil and lemon juice. It's simple, safe, and delicious. Now those tips will definitely help. But the most powerful thing you can do is figure out your personal trigger foods. Because what bloats me might not be what bloats you. We all have a unique digestive blueprint. To help you do that, I created a free 7-day anti-inflammatory food swap guide. It walks you through common triggers. It gives you simple, delicious alternatives so you can start feeling better this week. It's the exact first step I give my clients. The link is right at the top of the description. Go grab it now. It'll be in your inbox in 2 minutes. I hope this video helped you understand why you might be feeling bloated after your healthy meals. It's about working with your body. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more gut health tips. Thanks for watching.